Imagine you've gone for an engineering job interview. The employer shows you two spherical reactors, and one of them has an insulation thickness 10 times greater than the other. They tell you that the exact same exothermic reaction is happening in both reactors, and the conditions are steady state. Then they ask you, which of these reactors do you think has a higher heat loss? And you, with pride and absolute confidence, say, well, obviously the one with less insulation. Which leads to you completely bombing the interview. But if you are subscribed to my channel, you know that the very first thing you need to do is write down an energy balance. Energy in minus energy out plus energy generated minus energy consumed equals the change in energy over time. Now, you think to yourself, the employer didn't mention anything about energy entering the system, which is our reactor. On the other hand, they didn't say anything about energy being consumed either. They only said that energy is being generated in the system by an exothermic reaction. And, most importantly, they said the conditions are steady state. Therefore, there is absolutely no change in energy over time within the system. This means that ultimately, the energy generated in the system is exactly equal to the energy going out.
So, whether the reactor's insulation is 1 meter thick or 100 meters thick, it makes absolutely no difference. When the conditions are steady state, eventually all the generated energy will escape the system. If you enjoyed this mini lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really boosts my motivation to make more videos for you.